Starting an AI business requires a blend of innovative ideas, technical expertise, and strategic partnerships. In this video, we will be listing some top companies that can help you kickstart your AI venture, along with tips on how to find them. Number 1. Next AI. Next AI is a program that offers mentorship, education, and over $1 million in deals and perks from partner vendors to early-stage AI startups. It also provides access to capital investments, with up to $100,000 in direct funding available through an external fund. Participants have the option to join the program from either the Montreal or Toronto hubs, or they can choose to participate remotely from any other location. The Next AI program offers an exceptional curriculum taught by renowned faculty, access to esteemed AI scientists and venture managers, engaging workshops, speaker series, and benefits from leading AI technologies. Additionally, it provides complimentary office space in Toronto and Montreal's AI hubs, along with the opportunity to connect with a diverse network of mentors and investors from around the world. The Accelerator and Incubator program is divided into 2 phases. The first phase focuses on upskilling founders and strengthening the foundations of their ventures through common track and one-on-one support. The second phase involves accelerating product development. Next, AI welcomes ideas or early-stage ventures that are dedicated to addressing global challenges through the use of AI. We are looking for exceptional teams who are committed to developing and implementing impactful AI-enabled solutions. Number 2. Oracle. Oracle offers a wide range of services for the development and deployment of models, the creation of models that have been custom trained, and the provision of support services for a seamless machine learning experience. These services include learning options for artificial intelligence and machine learning in all skill levels. The solutions offered by Oracle also provide assistance to customers in the process of developing, refining, and deploying models by utilizing open-source frameworks such as PyTorch and TensorFlow. In addition, it gives customers the ability to extend the functionality of applications and processes by providing them with a pre-built chatbot, anomaly detection, natural language processing or NLP, voice, and computer vision capabilities. Number 3. OpenAI. OpenAI is at the forefront of AI research and development. The company has gained a reputation for making significant advancements in the field of artificial intelligence. OpenAI is primarily dedicated to the development and progress of AI technology, with a strong focus on promoting openness and transparency. Their work has resulted in numerous innovations in a wide variety of applications. An example of an innovation is the GPT-3 language model, which is capable of generating text that closely resembles human language. This model has been found to be highly valuable for various natural language processing tasks. Number 4. NextGrid AI. NextGrid's Artificial Intelligence Seed and Accelerator program is a 3-month program that aims to equip technical founders with the necessary framework, support, and knowledge to effectively navigate complex technology solutions. Participants are provided with a generous package that includes cloud computing credits valued at up to $500,000, expert mentoring in both business and technical aspects, valuable connections to NextGrid's network of Silicon Valley and AI investors, and exclusive access to unreleased hardware. NextGrid receives a 4% equity stake in the participating businesses as a result of their support. Participants in the program can present their projects to 10 influential investors and tech companies at the end of the program. This allows them to demonstrate their progress and potential for future growth. Number 5. Startups and AI Incubators. The AI Startup Incubator, or AISI, focuses on investing in AI startups that are in their early stages. In Q4 2022, AISI became a subsidiary of Look AI Ventures, or LAIV, SICAV fund, integrating its portfolio, expertise, resources, scouting, and evaluation processes into the new fund structure. AISI is still operating within the LAIV structure even after the merger. AISI provides customized collaboration options to cater to the unique requirements of each startup, instead of offering a one-size-fits-all solution. After assessing more than 4,000 startups, the incubator is a network of 70 mentors and is open to all industries, with a particular emphasis on AI. AISI provides valuable industry expertise to startups through mentoring and partnerships, enabling them to thrive and expand. The incubator provides valuable financial support to foster the growth of AI startups and takes pride in its deep expertise in AI technology. AISI plays a crucial role in supporting the growth of AI startups in different industries by offering customized solutions and resources. Number 6. Digital Catapult. Digital Catapult is committed to expediting the ethical and responsible implementation of artificial intelligence and machine learning. It offers startups the opportunity to access computing power, hardware, industry expertise, mentorship, and experimentation space. It also assists larger companies in speeding up their adoption of AI. The program works closely with policymakers and academics to ensure that both the UK and the companies they collaborate with globally are at the forefront of transparent and ethical AI applications. In addition, the Ethics Committee supports UK developers and organizations in incorporating ethical practices into the utilization of AI and ML technologies. This helps organizations leverage cutting-edge digital technologies while ensuring responsible and ethical AI implementation. Number 7. Microsoft Accelerator. Microsoft for Startups Founders Hub is a platform that brings together individuals, expertise, and technology to assist founders in addressing the obstacles they face in their startups. Signing up is completely free and comes with a range of benefits. These include up to $150,000 in Azure credits, expert guidance, and access to a variety of development tools like GitHub Enterprise, Azure OpenAI Service, VS Code, Microsoft 365, and LinkedIn. The platform also offers startup-friendly deals from trusted partners, such as OpenAI APIs and LinkedIn Premium. Azure, Microsoft's cloud computing platform, is essential to the platform, offering cutting-edge AI advancements, seamless integration with popular development tools, and top-notch security and compliance features. Founders can benefit from one-to-one technical advisory sessions to help them get started on Azure. They can also receive guidance on architecture design, scalability, security reviews, and other related areas. They have the opportunity to connect with experts and mentors who can provide guidance on various startup challenges. Number 8. The Hive. The Hive is a seed-stage venture fund located in Palo Alto that offers support for entrepreneurs who want to build their own companies from scratch. It speeds up company building by actively partnering with founders during their crucial early stages, with a focus on startups that utilize data-driven analysis and AI technology innovation solutions. The Hive provides pre-seed and seed financing options ranging from $1.5 million to $3 million, along with support for startups to secure future financing rounds. In addition, the program encourages creativity by facilitating collaborations between entrepreneurs and major corporations like GE, Dell, EMC, eBay, and McKesson. The program's investments focus on sectors with high potential, including general enterprise, industrials, financial services, insurance, and health. These are areas where AI is expected to flourish. Number 9. Nvidia Inception. Nvidia Inception is a program designed to assist startups in accelerating their growth. It offers access to advanced technology, guidance from Nvidia experts, connections to venture capitalists, and co-marketing support to enhance company visibility. The program caters to all stages of a startup's life cycle and provides a range of technical tools, resources, and networking opportunities with investors. Members who have a premier membership enjoy a range of extra perks, such as enhanced Nvidia marketing support, exclusive event access, and a dedicated relationship manager. Nvidia Inception members are making impressive progress in various industries. Ayla Sutskever, co-founder of OpenAI and an Inception member, shared insights on GPT-4, ChatGPT, and the future of deep learning. Pendulum, another startup in the program, has created AI engines that can identify false information in social media content. Open Climate Fix, on the other hand, has developed transformer-based AI models that utilize vast amounts of satellite data to significantly enhance solar energy generation predictions. Number 10. Founders Factory Accelerator. The Founders Factory Accelerator program provides funding and 6 months of practical guidance from a committed team to help entrepreneurs succeed. Our staff members work closely with startups in important areas such as strategy, product, marketing, finance, talent, and operations. They offer valuable opportunities for commercial contracts, distribution, market intelligence, and equity investments through market-leading partnerships. With a presence in over 300 locations worldwide, the program fosters a global community of founders, operators, and investors. This community is brought together through exclusive in-person and online events. Our team consists of over 100 operators who possess extensive industry, investment, and entrepreneurship experience. They are dedicated to assisting startups in accelerating their growth. We offer access to top innovators in some of the most influential companies globally, ensuring that startups receive the essential support and resources needed to accelerate their progress and achieve long-term success. When searching for these companies, consider factors such as their expertise, reputation, pricing, and compatibility with your business goals. Additionally, networking with professionals in the AI industry can help you discover more opportunities and form valuable partnerships. Make sure to give us a like and subscribe to this channel for more AI tips. You really don't want to miss out on what we have for you.